Everyone wants to earn money online nowadays, and they do everything for it. Many of you are also watching tons of YouTube videos on side hustles, and everyone on Instagram and YouTube make it sound so easy. Like just make Pinterest pin and you can earn 10,000 rupees daily. Earn from this survey website, make a digital product using Claude and sell it and make money from it and blah blah blah. And when you start doing these side hustles and get no result, you either blame yourself or the side hustle by saying that it's all scam and you quit. I was also in the same phase back then. I was also feeling lost, frustrated, everything when things were not working according to me. But luckily I found a way to get out of it. That's why I am sharing each and every point with you so that you don't make those mistakes, so that you can start earning real money online. What if I tell you that the main problem here is not you, not the side hustle, but the problem is in those people who sold you the easy money dream. The side hustles are legit, your efforts are okay, but the fake hope you were given that you can earn in overnight or within days or within months, this was wrong. And many of these influencers and YouTubers will never tell you that how much effort, hard work you need and the real time it would take for a side hustle to show some result. Many of them just don't reveal these things. And the trap starts when we start believing on these influencers and creators. We listen to their easy money advice and have an expectation in our brain that we can earn money easily without doing any hard work or without learning any skill, and we can earn money within 1 to 2 months. And when you start doing this thing, you instantly realize that the reality was completely different compared to what other people said, and you completely lose the hope of making money online. So to avoid these things from happening to you and to earn real money online, you need to focus on these points. First of all, if you really want to make money online, you need to focus on learning real life skills like content creation, editing, marketing, AI, Canva. Learn something, build expertise in any topic, and there are many other skills to learn. Pick them according to your interest and don't overcomplicate it. It's normal if you don't know what to pick or what to do. Everyone starts like this. Take some time, explore other things, do your research, start learning, and you will easily find your desired skill set. Now, when you get what you want to do, just stick to it. Do it for at least 3 months. Yes, it will take some time before you can even expect anything from it. You have to do it even if it gets boring or even if it gives no results. You are building a real business model. It will take some time to grow. Just do your hard work, be patient, and most importantly, have some faith in yourself. You will get to learn so many important lessons in this process. And lastly, to guarantee your success, you need to keep repeating this process. Maybe you didn't find the perfect work, or maybe the side hustle you pick is not working for you. Don't feel scared or demotivated. This can happen with anyone. It happens with everyone, even with me also. I have also tried multiple side hustles and I'm still working. Many other successful people who are earning right now have gone through the same phase of trial and error. Just do it for at least 3 months. And if you don't find it helpful, or if you think you can't continue it for any sort of reason, you can change it and try something else. I know this sounds boring, but this is the hard reality, and you need to accept it. There is no easy way to earn money online. And if anyone is promising you, they're just trying to scam you or they're trying to sell you a course. You will not hear this advice from other big creators, and there are many reasons for it. Many just speak without any knowledge. They just want to make video and they will only tell you the surface level information. They will not tell you in-depth information because they didn't even try that side hustle which they are recommending. Many creators just make these type of videos to get your views and attention. They make easy money hack videos because these are easy to get views. They will not make a video on how to work hard for 6 months and learn one skill because no one will click on it. To make you watch, they have to sugarcoat the reality. They wrap up a normal business model and will give it to you like it's an overnight miracle. And it gets millions of views. So that's the hard reality. And if you need to earn money online, you need to stay dedicated. Avoid these money hacks. Learn skill. Apply it. You will learn. You will grow eventually. Nothing will happen in 1 to 2 months. But if you stay dedicated, you will win. I keep making these type of honest side hustles and business model breakdown. So if you want to be aware of them, subscribe. And if you learn anything from this video, like it. And also tell me what side hustles you will pick. And I will see you guys in the next one.